I'm British. This is Emz-British, of course. Taking through the archives. What a better place. Not a better place to start than with Jigger. Yeah, considering that, I'm an art form. Well, up and coming, I should say. Artist. This is my art form. And Jigger is definitely in my top 3, top 5, no doubt. So anyway, every environment, every area, every place has a different type of style. And showing how the British man them do on British Caribbean. And here it is. You sharp now, let it just, let you enjoy the vibe. Taking you back to the archives. Yeah, Jay-Z, put your hands up, people. Greatness never dies. For the controlling the house. We ball blocks. Back daddy, I rather that. Wishing to strip to pay tuition. Mama on the long shots. Pawn the block. Whether I perform or not, I can't hot. Analyze like ills, then I pull it down real with the phony. Y'all don't know me. When my situation ain't improving, I'm trying to murder every move. They have to cut that. He said he's gonna murder everything moving. Jigger. On to the next one. We get, and it's a hard knot. More of a British 90s theme now, from a British standpoint of view. Ain't my flavour really, but these as close 7 fellas, ladies and gentlemen, they were popping off. So, in the 90s, brings back memories still, I ain't gonna lie. These sounds were really like regular on the radio play. I know the lyrics because I was young when this came, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't experienced what I experienced now and then. Still innocent of the world. So I can sing along, but I ain't gonna get cheesy really. I might hum along. Whatever that means, say la vie. Say la vie. I'm gonna cut this one short. Say la vie. Is that Spanish? I think that's Spanish, I'll figure it out. My guess is that it means to say I will. I forgot about this part. Yeah, they break it down, some mixed sounds going on there. I'll probably give you 1 or 2 more throwbacks and leave it as that for the British throwback session. Top of the pops. Him's giving you a different type of, different type of setup today. I don't think this woman if you don't know her, I don't think she needs no introduction. If you don't know who this woman is, I think you're very, very late if you're past the age of 25. Do ya? Do you know who she is? And do ya? To the question she's asking. Hey, that's a question for the ages. Not sure. Yeah, that people. If you sat on that path, man, and the path's gone so far, ain't no turning back. You best keep it moving. Don't quit. Keep going. Ain't no turning back now. Do you be? What she said. Do ya? It's up for question. Yeah, I know I am. Man can't be shared that so easily. Once you know your worth, you got to reserve. Because when you just put it out and put it out and put it out, it gets devalued, it gets mistreated and abused, doesn't it? People, be on point. It's 2022. This is Emz. Double G. Double GG. Emz. Emzino. On to the next one. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, people. Me and a couple of my old school G's, my old school man them. Shout out to you, man them. You know who you are. This one here, and someone in particular by the name of, I ain't gonna say those names. Yeah. Yeah. He used to love this one. This one was kind of big back in 98, 99. And this guy was singing it all the time in school, in class. Secondary, which in the States over there, you don't call it high school. That's what they're starting to call it high school over here now in certain places as well. Certain districts, but yeah, this tune was banging. Yep, my number one genre has got to be the genre, you know, specialize in, which is rap. I spit, but let's not take nothing away from some of these different genres that I definitely get down to as well. Because music's good music, people. Universal. Limiting yourself and be like, nah, that's corny, I just listen to rap. You need to broaden your horizons. Yeah. This tune here is just the hook. Most of the time, so you have to remember these people as well. These rockstars play their own instruments. They are full on and truly proper artists. They are musicians. Not to say that a rapper isn't. Of course, rappers are. I'm a musician. I can, you know, what's it called? Not literally orchestrate music, but I can produce music. Build the song from scratch and all of that. So, but there's authenticity, meaning instruments that are live, and then there's obviously the modern day stuff. The older way's harder. On to the next. What we got here now? Alright, and that's when I have to pause on now, because this ain't my flavour and I can't even tell you that I recognise this song. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. That's talent there, people. Playing the guitar is not simple. Any instrument. It's craftsmanship, just like rap is art form as well. It's craftsmanship. It's actually poetry. Anyone who says otherwise is an idiot. Em said so. And I know something about that. Rap music, that is music in general. Yeah. This is like PC music, family friendly. This was a big one, I ain't gonna lie. Guess who it is again, people? Hey, looks like it's S Club. Thing is with them, they were so big in the 90s, mid 90s, late 90s, that they didn't just have this S Club 7. They had a group for the youngsters as well, S Club 7 Junior. Tell me of your favorite artists. Or Origin Slide there. No shame in it. No shame at all. You're doing your thing. You're doing your thing. Your kids. You put in the lime. You gotta grab it. You put in the limelight. Sometimes you gotta seize the moment, ain't you, people? This tune here is cheesy, but I can see why it was a hit. Definitely. It's the production. It's not always the actual artist or the artists in this case. Sometimes it's just the production. That's why Dre is such a phenomenon. People like Alchemist, even though they don't get the recognition he deserves. People like Kanye West. Kanye West doesn't just rap people, he actually is a music producer. He's a producer. He's got skills. Yeah? Don't ever forget it, he ain't just a rapper. He makes the beats. Behind the scenes and in front. I'm gonna probably give one more leave as that. Dun dun. The beat's actually alright, you know. Yeah, we're gonna have to end it with this one because it's very convenient, it's very fitting, and being a football man myself, yeah, an Arsenal fan, yeah, a supporter of the cause. This tune during the World Cup '98, which England got knocked out, unfortunately, to Argentina in the last 16. Very historical match. Owen arrived. Beckham had to redeem himself, which he did. Legends. And we were knocked out on penalties. But yeah, England were knocked out on penalties, and since then they've kept going as you do. This was a hit. It's about the football. There we go. But we wouldn't figure that, considering the title name. Vindaloo is obviously a former kebab people, in case you didn't know. And in England, in London, one of our favourite takeaways up and down the country would have to be the kebab. Especially for the football goers. Late nights, coming home from the football, going to the football, before and after the football. Bit of kebab has been known as a traditional thing. So there you go. There you go, people. I ain't gonna play the whole tune. Ain't gonna lie. I went off on this one a few times during that period. Hey. Tune's got a lot of energy. And where's football? Everyone jumped on board. It was a hit. Well, I said that was the last one, the Vindaloo song, but this one here, I'm sure you all have heard it, and if you haven't, you're very, 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 you're very late. Big late 90s track, theme song to the movie Apollo. Apollo 13 with Bruce Willis in it. Big film starring Bruce Willis. Big soundtrack to the film, to the movie, whatever you want to call it. Yep. And the lyrics are deep, and it's more than a love song, because it also mirrors life. It emulates life, the lyrics. Basically stay on the cause, fall off, take it off the ball, next thing you know, like that, it's gone. Even though this is a love song, it can relate to other topics, especially life. Like I said, universal. Having said that, let Aerosmith do their thing, and I'll be signing off. Cause, break it down for them people. Cause, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Cause, alright, that's Emz-British. Leave it as that for now. Till next time, people, God willing. I'll just leave you on this note. Music is something that is universal. It's heartfelt, it's very influential. And it can be used to uplift, and it can be used to also bring a downer. Yeah, so it can be used to heighten, it can be used to lower moods. Like this one here, which is playing out. As I'm finishing off, signing out here. This is a happy song. Elevate people. There's also songs that can influence people, trigger thoughts. It all triggers emotions. Now music in certain beliefs with faith is considered not pure, considering the type of music that's put out there, but all music is universal. Regardless, I want to leave you with this thought, people. Food for thought. Imagine a world without no music. It'd be pretty bland, wouldn't it? Music was always going to be there. It's vibration, it's energy. But it's the type of music, a lot of crap being put out, and a lot of low vibrational energy music. So make the music be of energy, well felt. It doesn't always have to be positive, because life isn't really a bed of roses, but make it of impact and substance. Till next time, people, Emz-British, I'm out. Peace.